I will be the instructor for this class. My game development experience started in 1979 when I bought a TI-99 platform. It came with instructions on how to program in BASIC. I've had the opportunity to work on about 15 titles since joining the game industry in '95. Additionally, I'm an Atelier trained artist, studying with many professionals from all over the world in painting and sculpting. As you can see, I love to sculpt. Biped and quadruped anatomy is something that I love to practice in both traditional forms and digital forms. I'm very excited about what we're going to accomplish in class this semester. We'll be delving into the simplicities and the complexities of digital art for game. Using your creativity and passion, you'll have the opportunity during class to create a world and characters that will leap off the pages of your portfolio and your website. This class will be loaded with tips, tricks, trade secrets, and best practices for putting in your arsenal for future use. It will also put you on a path of thinking like an innovator. During the course of this class, you will be working on approximately 5 tasks, each one an asset to your portfolio, each one showing technical savvy with respect to game art production. You will have synchronous and asynchronous projects as you work to increase your knowledge and skill set with respect to game art. You'll be creating objects for your environment, such as ecosystems, architectural features, and natural features in the landscape. We'll also be producing soft body and rigid body characters and models. You'll be introduced to basic rigging techniques and animation to test your mesh so that you can know if it's deforming properly. This will help you understand concepts such as edge loop placement and favored bind poses. The primary goal for this class is to prepare you and your portfolio for a job in the game industry. If you're an artist who simply wants solid low poly modeling techniques, then you're welcome to join us. In preparing you and your portfolio, we'll be focusing on increasing your knowledge of game development and design with respect to creativity, technical functionality, LODs, level of details, imperative in games, and surface techniques such as normal maps, which gives us more surface definition without the poly count, and other tricks and techniques that increase the quality of game art without increasing poly counts and rendering times characterized by games. Regarding evaluation, please see the grading and rubrics posting in the course home within the shell. And in addition to that, we'll be employing professional evaluation techniques from game development studios, such as agile collaboration meetings, constructive input sessions, and self-evaluations. As a part of our talks, we'll be discussing the importance of networking, documentation and pipelines, creating art first as a team member and then an artist. It's very important. The importance of having a degree in the industry and lifelong learning strategies are necessary for technology jobs. We'll also be discussing the importance of building reference libraries. As an artist, that's essential for speeding up production time. And we'll be discussing what drives innovation in the game industry. Throughout the course, we'll also be talking about innovative ideas and brainstorming new technological advancements and how we can implement those into our pipeline and workflow. A couple of important points to convey prior to class. The class syllabus will be updated prior to class starting. Grading and rubrics are defined in the course home within the shell. Assignments and due dates will be defined and updated prior to class, and those will be posted in the shell as well. And also, as in the game industry, there are consequences for missing deadlines. And finally, read the class policies. Those are very important. Know those before class. Now don't forget GDC this year. I encourage everybody to attend. If you do plan on attending and it does coincide with class, please let me know in advance so we can make arrangements. And I'll see you in class.